it from the science kit. So let's start. It's the underwater volcano. So the equipments are test tube and a scoop and measuring cylinder, a stirring stick. The materials from kit are baking soda, citric acid and red color. Materials from home are some water and vegetable oil. Let's start the experiment. Measure 10 ml water and pour it into the test tube. Then add 2 drops of red color into the test tube and mix it using the stirring stick. 1, 2. Now let's mix it. It was not showing well in the test tube stand, so that's why I removed it out. Let's put the test tube back into the stand. Add half scoop of baking soda. Measure 20 ml vegetable oil and slowly pour it into the test tube. Look how pretty it looks. I will remove it and show you. Drop half scoop of citric acid into the test tube. Oh no, I did not think it will spill. Whoa. This was so cool, guys. Science behind this. Similar to the previous experiment, bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. But in this experiment, the bubbles move slowly through the oil layer because oil is thicker and stickier than water. This property of oil is called viscosity. So the bubbles are flowing slowly through the oil layer because oil is thick and stickier than water. That is why it exploded. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this experiment video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye!